Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. In this lesson, we are diving into the first real step of your design journey, which is starting a new project in Uizard. So, whether you are sketching out a mobile app or a web interface, this is where the magic begins. By the end of this short lesson, you will know how to create a project, choose the right template, and then prepare your workspace to begin designing. So guys, once you are logged into Uizard, just like we just did, you will land on your dashboard. Alright, now this is where all your past projects are, and also where you can start something new. Now let's click on new project. So guys, click on the big new project button. You can see where my mouse cursor is on. Alright, and when you click on it, Uizard will show you a few options to get started. Alright, you can see desktop, tablet, and mobile. Alright, additionally, you can see where my mouse cursor is on. You can choose from pre-designed templates, alright, like mobile app, web dashboard, and landing page. And these are great if you want a head start. And that's beautiful, guys. But for this course, it is important that we start from scratch so that we can understand the full process. So guys, let's go ahead and click on start from blank, or should I say start from scratch. Now when you do that, you can now go ahead to choose the platform you are designing for. In this course, we will focus more on the mobile platform. So let's click on this mobile platform. And here we are. Alright? And here we are with a new screen. So guys, at this stage, the next important thing to do is to give your project a new name. And to do that, all you have to do is to come right here. You can see where my mouse cursor is on. It says untitled blank project. So let's give it a title, or should I say let's give it a new name. So click on this, and then we can call this one my first app UI. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you can always rename this letter, alright? But it is important for you to understand that naming your project helps to keep things organized. Now you can also go ahead to give your project a brief description. Alright, so guys, you can go ahead to say this is my first Uizard project as a UI UX designer. You can go ahead to come up with a better description. Alright, and that's beautiful, guys. So let's go ahead to click on save changes, and just like that, guys, you are in. Alright, now you have just created your very first Uizard project. Now your workspace is ready and you are all set to start adding screens, buttons and other interface elements. Alright, now in the next lesson we will look at how to explore templates and also build your layout step by step. See you soon.